ng tip, kapalit ng pera o cellphone load. Bumili ng ticket sa mga PCSO authorized outlets at PCSO branches bago ang actual draw. Good evening, Lotto Philippines. Welcome to the evening edition of the PCSO Lottery Draw. It's a lucky Monday, October 3, 2016. Hindi po matatapos ang gabing ito na wala ang multimilyong premyo mula sa PCSO. At dahil araw po ng Lunes, pabuena manong swerte ang hatid ng PCSO para sa ating mga Lotto players na bumili ng tickets for tonight's fixed prize games. Easy 2 Lotto and Sweatres Lotto. At para po sa ating pari-mutual games na 4-digit, Mega Lotto 645 and the Grand Lotto 655. Kasama ko po maghahatid ng swerte ang ating panel of judges led by our chairperson, Mr. Jaime Walat Jr. Also here with us are the representatives from PCSO and the Commission on Audit. And of course, to assist us with our draws is our PCSO Draw Coordinator. Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Bago ang live Lotto draw, narito po muna ang mga naging kaganapan sa pre-draw procedures kanina. Sa gaganaping live draws, siniguro ng ating panel of judges and representatives from PCSO and Commission on Audit na maayos ang kondisyon ng draw machines na gagamitin. Only the operation of the remote switch button ang may human intervention. Sa random selection of draw balls, 3 sets ang pinagpipilian for each game. All balls in all sets have almost exactly the same weight. Lahat po ng bola ay tinimbang at covered po ito ng video. Tapos masiguro na ito ay kumpleto, ang chairperson lamang ang makakapag-load ng draw balls na gagamitin sa mga draws. Game time na Pilipinas, hawakan ang mga tickets. Simulan po natin ang pamimigay ng multimilyong premyo. Let's play Grand Lotto 655 game. Tonight's Grand Lotto jackpot prize, 30 million pesos. Mr. Walat, sir, please press that button and let's play Grand Lotto 655. Thank you, sir. Lotto players, narito nang inaabangang Grand Lotto draw. Kumpleto ang 55 draw balls sa loob ng draw machine. Numbered 1 to 55. We are waiting for 6 lucky numbers. In any order po. And the first number is 34. Sa mga first-time players, ang Grand Lotto, pari-mutual game. Kung isa lang ang jackpot winner, solo niya ang jackpot. Kung dalawa o higit pa, hati po sila equally. Second number is 9. Exciting din po ang consolation prizes. Maaari kayo manalo from 20 pesos at baka umabot ng 200,000 pesos. The third number is 27. Tax paid po ang papremyo ng Lotto. Ibig sabihin walang kahit anong kaltas at dapat po buo niyong makuha ang amount ng inyong premyo. Fourth number is 44. Para siguradong kasali at may chance manalo, araw-araw ugaliin bumili ng Lotto tickets sa mga authorized Lotto outlets. Fifth number is 20. Isang number na lang po ang hinihintay natin piliin ng ating draw machine. Good luck, Grand Lotto 655 players. Our sixth and final number is 12. Recapping tonight's official Grand Lotto 655 winning numbers in any order. 34, 9, 27, 44, 20, and 12 with a jackpot prize of 30 million pesos. Tuloy-tuloy tayo sa Mega Million Premyo ng pari-mutual Mega Lotto 645 game. Tonight's Mega Lotto jackpot prize, 9 million pesos. Once again, Mr. Walat, sir, please press that button and let's play Mega Lotto 645. Maraming salamat po muli sa ating chairperson at sa members ng panel of judges sa paglalaan ng oras para makasama natin maghatid na swerte. This time, 45 balls ang laman ng Mega Gem, 6 na bola pa rin po ang ating hinihintay. And the first number is 34. Gaya po ng Grand Lotto, ang Mega Lotto is pari-mutual game. Kung sakaling dalawa o higit pa ang jackpot winners, hahatiin po ang jackpot ng pantay sa bilang ng mga winners. Second number is 28. Ang mga consolation prizes, pari-mutual din po. At kung may iba pa kayong katanungan sa paglalaro ng Lotto Games, pwede ho kayong magtanong sa ating mga friendly Lotto tellers. The third number is 13. Ingatan po mabuti ang inyong mga Lotto tickets. Huwag itutupi, lulukutin, babasahin o paplansyahin. Baka masira ang tickets pag nabasa o mainitan. Our fourth number is 40. Reminder, 18 years old and above lang ang maaari maglaro ng kahit anong PCSO game, kaya huwag na pong iutos sa mga bata ang pagbili ng inyong mga Lotto tickets. Fifth number is 35. One more lucky number to win tonight's Mega Lotto jackpot prize. Good luck, Mega Lotto. 645 players. And our sixth and final number is 18. Philippines, here are the official Mega Lotto 645 winning numbers in any order. 34, 28, 13, 40, 35, and 18 with a jackpot prize of 9 million pesos. Sa aming pagbabalik, ihahatid na namin ang exciting prizes ng mga digit games. Calling all fundraising organizations. Get the chance to raise more than 1.2 million pesos for your charity projects. Be a partner of PCSO in its mini sweepstakes special draws. The PCSO is opening its doors to all non-profit organizations, local government units, cooperatives, socio-civic groups and associations to its newest project, PCSO Partner Tayo. Interested parties may visit the PCSO Product and Standard Development Department, 3rd floor, Conservatory Building, Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. You may also visit any of our branches in your vicinity or province or email us at pcso_marketing@yahoo.com. Partner tayo sa pagtulong sa Pilipino. Nakakatulong ka na, umaasenso ka pa.
Swerte. Sa Scratch It, sa bawat scratch, maaaring manalo up to 200,000 pesos.
Patuloy po ang aming paanyaya. Kung kayo po ay may mga charitable projects, maaari nyo maging kapartner ang PCSO sa sweepstakes draw para sa inyong fundraising. Maganda po ang mga incentives na naghihintay para sa inyong organization. For more information, you may call the PCSO Product and Standard Development Department at telephone number 846-8764. Another important announcement, PCSO is now accepting applicants for the PCSO Small Town Lottery operations. Interested parties may submit their applications to the STL Supervision and Monitoring Group, Office of the Assistant General Manager for Branch Operations Sector, located at the 3rd floor of the Sun Plaza Building, Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. Deadline of submission is on October 31, 2016. Simulan natin ang pamimigay ng digit pa premyo sa 4 na numero ng Parimutuel 4-digit game. Sa mga ngayon lang nag-tune in, hawakan na po ang mga 4-digit tickets. This game is also a Parimutuel game. Ang first prize pool ay hinahati equally kapag dalawa o higit pa ang first prize winners. Kung sakali naman pong maraming manalo ng first prize, hindi bababa ng 10,000 pesos ang premyong mapapanalunan ng bawat first prize winner. Nakapili na po ang ating machines ng winning combination tonight. First digit is 2. The second digit is the number 4. Our third digit is the number 7. And finally, the fourth digit is the number 9. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, tonight's 4-digit winning combination, 2, 4, 7, and 9 in exact order. Malalaman na natin kung maswerte ang 3 numbers po ninyo ngayong gabi. Let's play Sweaters Lotto! Nasa Sweaters Lotto game na po tayo at enjoy po ang mga Lotto players natin, lalo na sa Visayas at Mindanao. Same game mechanics sa ating morning and afternoon draw, matching the 3-digit winning combination in exact order. wins you the fixed prize of 4,500 pesos. At sa mga bumili ng tickets using the Rambolito System Play, pwede kayo manalo ng 750 pesos or 1,500 pesos. Nakapili na po ang ating machines ng winning combination. First digit, we have number 2. Second digit, number 9. And finally, the third digit is the number 7. Double check your tickets. Tonight's Suertes Lotto winning combination is 2, 9, and 7 in exact order. Ang huling game natin ngayong gabi, lucky 2 numbers ng Easy 2 Lotto. Napakarami pong nag-i-enjoy sa game na ito dahil ang dali-dali lang pong maglaro at manalo. 2 numbers from 1 to 31 lang ang kailangan. Pag nag-match po ang numbers ninyo sa Easy 2 Lotto winning numbers in exact order, panalo kayo ng fixed prize na 4,000 pesos. At 2,000 pesos naman po ang premyo kung kayo ay nanalo via the Rambolito System Play. Nakapili na po ng winning numbers ang ating machines. The first number is 17. And the second number is 20. Recapping tonight's Easy 2 Lotto winning numbers, we have 17 and 20 in exact order. Congratulations po sa mga winners natin ngayong gabi at sa mga bumili ng tickets at nag-aabang na resulta ng PCSO morning and afternoon lotto draws kanina. Narito po ang mga winning numbers. The 11 a.m. draw results for the Easy 2 Lotto. We have 3 and 6 in exact order. Sa Suertes Lotto, we have 0, 2, and 3 in exact order. Para sa 4 p.m. draw results, ang Easy 2 Lotto winning numbers 24 and 19 in exact order. At para sa Suertes Lotto, ang winning combination 2, 3, and 7 also in exact order. Kung isa ka sa maswerteng Lotto winners, easy-easy lang mag-claim ng premyo. Isulat ang pangalan at pirmahan ang likod ng winning ticket. Kung nanalo ng 20 pesos hanggang 5,000 pesos, maaaring i-claim ang premyo sa mga authorized Lotto outlets. Sa mga winners ng mahigit sa 5,000 pesos maliban sa jackpot, pumunta sa pinakamalapit na PCSO branch sa inyong lugar o sa PCSO main office at magdala ng 2 valid IDs. At kung jackpot winner ka, dalhin ang winning ticket at 2 valid IDs, i-claim ang inyong premyo sa PCSO main office. Para naman po sa ating late tuners, ulitin natin ang mga winning numbers natin tonight. Starting off with the Easy 2 Lotto winning numbers. We have 17 and 20 in exact order. Sa Suertes Lotto, ang winning combination 2, 9, and 7 in exact order. Para sa 4-digit game, ang winning combination 2, 4, 7, and 9 in exact order. Sa Mega Lotto 645 in any order, the winning numbers are 34, 28, 13, 40, 35, and 18 with a jackpot prize of 9 million pesos. Finally, sa ating Grand Lotto 655 in any order, ang winning numbers po 34, 9, 27, 44, 20, and 12 with a jackpot prize of 30 million pesos. Alam kong kanina nyo pa gustong malaman ang kasagutan kung may jackpot winner tayo tonight. Dala po ng ating data security representative ang resulta. Good evening. Thank you. According to the data center, wala po tayong jackpot winner for the Grand Lotto 655. Sa Mega Lotto 645, no jackpot winner din po. That's all for tonight. Para po sa PCSO, si Eric Kimson. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Susunod na po ang PTV News.